Hey crystals, so in this video I will be taking you guys through the journey of my very detailed, beginner friendly, affordable skincare routine for morning and nighttime. If you're interested, just keep on watching.
Lazy Sunday afternoon, I'ma take Monday off too. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside, such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibe and the tan line, keep the free mind, yeah. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside, such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines, keep the free mind, yeah. Rose color on my cheeks, yeah, I feel so on fleek. Forget who we are, 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep a free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep a free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep a free mind, yeah. Hey, 'cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot